In this video, I will show you how to get your Crypto.com referral bonus. So you can get your referral bonus by referring a friend or whoever to the Crypto.com app. They do need to take a few actions, so here are those actions. From the home screen, click on the gift icon in the top right. And here you will see rewards earned. From the home screen, click on the three lines in the top left. And here click on your referral earnings. Here you will get to the refer tab. So you can see everyone you've referred right here, and you can see how much you earned from referring that person. Now, if I click on the one at the top here, you can see what they need to do and what you can earn if they do that. So if they trade $100, you make $5. If they trade $500, you make 15, 1,000 you make 25, and 5,000 you make $75. And if they get a Pro Visa card with Crow lockup or annual subscription, you earn an extra $25. So you can earn up to $100 per referral. So to refer other people, just click share, and then here you will have a code, you have a link, and you can just share this, and the referral I think can also get a bonus if they sign up with your link. So just gonna share this with whoever you want, and when they follow those steps you will make that money. So now you know how to get a Crypto.com referral bonus. It will basically just be added to your account in Crow, which is Kronos, which is Crypto.com's cryptocurrency, so you'll find it in your account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.